Gender equity to me is both gender is represented at a decision making level, both get opportunity to express their views and ensure that their special needs, their views and ideas, thoughts are heard and accepted. Because before I was mainly engaged in the technical work, and that was just the normal routine work that we come and do and go back. But after being part of Mary Williams Fellowship and meeting another 19 women and the trainers who are expert in gender-related ideas, they have inspired me, and I try and now in my workplace I try and bring those positive vibes around me. So I try to motivate people, my staffs, in order to come out of the safe zone that we have created around ourselves. I always try and encourage them that there are hidden potentials in us that needs to be shown out, and it will only happen if we take that next step.
Gender plays an important role in everything, and as we know, addressing and empowering women as a development goal is empirical, so that we achieve the outcomes that we want to do. Especially now with the pandemic, women and children are the most vulnerable, and this project Aradhana's project is actually geared towards addressing those challenges by particularly empowering women to actually produce their own food, but also have the opportunity to gain income from it. So I think that's really important for us, and we'll continue to support these kinds of initiatives.
These gender challenges can be addressed through bringing up when technologies are developed, when research methods are there. The trainings are done to both men and women. They are equally represented in the training programs, because we have been conducting trainings and we have been doing the plant health clinics, and we have mostly seen that it's the males who normally are seen at those areas. So if we give more opportunity to women, who I believe are the ones who are mostly working out in the field, then they will be able to upskill their understanding on correct agricultural practices, pest and disease management, and then they will be able to put that to better use in order to maximize the production and profit for them.
I think it has changed a bit. I'm just saying from myself, from my point of view, because if you can see behind us, our cassava patch there, as soon as my husband, started to plant the cassava, I was the one, I went there and started cutting the grasses that started, and just seeing that with my children, my girls, my older one, she's 11, it just gives them that mentality that it's not a man's work alone, we women can do it too. We used to say, the seedling came at the right time, or this program. I think it's really important. Mostly as a mother, I would say, mother of 4 children. Firstly, it just gives you that idea of you are growing your own food and you know what is going into your children's mouth. And you are just excited because you are feeding your children the healthy food, and you can do it like us, we can do it. Just get the seedling and start with it, because sometimes it's just our mindset. We think that our soil is not rich enough or good enough, but as you just put it out there, you can see it's growing. Like for me, I'm so excited to seeing the thing growing and harvesting it, and yeah, it's so exciting.
It's very important because with agriculture, it's a male-dominant area of work. So most often, all the heads are male. The training that she went to, even me myself, I wanna attend the training, because I know she shows a different kind of thing. Her experience, when she went to Australia to attend all this training and discussing with other women from other regions, her level of experience differs from us staying back here at the organization. So in a way, I believe that with whatever she managed to share with us, it's like a way of motivating us into another level.
Aradhana's project is one of the projects that we think will also create that impact and influence further on. These are working at the household level, and at the household level you create immediate impact, and it's important that we target as well women in this space. And by doing that, and hopefully learning from the research that Aradhana has, we'll be able to create that influence and perhaps upscale, if not expand that work to other initiatives of ACIAR. So we're really excited about her work and excited to hear more about it.
Being a researcher and then getting opportunity to be associated with something to do with gender, and especially through this platform of Mary Williams Fellowship, has brought a lot of positive vibes in me. So I feel that now I have sufficient skills, knowledge in order to put that into good use with people whom I'm surrounded with. I'm fortunate to ACIAR, Mary Williams Fellowship, for nurturing me, making me a person who I am today. I have a goal that I really want to give back to my workplace in order to ensure that there are more women can come out of their comfort zones. So I will try my best to ensure that they make most of the opportunities that there exist in terms of research, in terms of scholarships, in terms of fellowships, whichever comes their way, and that they are ready to take up challenges. They are ready to stand up and be bold enough to make decisions or make recommendations, and make most of the opportunities that are there.